GCSE and A-level students, I can assure you that nobody has shown you the most effective way to use blurting if you want to get those top grades. I'm going to show you how you should actually do it. And to get those A stars, to get those grade 9, you need to do blurting in the right way using these 5 things. Number 1, specification. Number 2, paper, not a whiteboard, paper. And I'll explain why. A revision guide or some sort of online notes. And then just 2 different coloured pens or 1 pen and 1 highlighter. And what makes this method of doing it so effective is that you're using the specification as a guideline. Let me show you how. So for the example, I'm going to use A-level business. You should be able to follow this if you're doing GCSE business as well. I'm going to blurt motivation. Now, as you can see, this is an entire specification point. You have the different theories, why it's important, financial incentives, non-financial incentives, so on. This is everything that you need to know for this topic, so this needs to be the contents of your blurt. Now, there's 2 methods of this, broad blurting and narrow blurting. I would start with narrow and go on to broad. Narrow is where you have this list of things that you need to know in front of you. So I might be like, what is Hertzberg's theory of motivation? What is a non-financial incentive? And so on. Or if I'm really comfortable that I know everything that I need to know, I could just go off motivation and blurt down everything I know. Like, not have this sort of prompts list. So what I will do, I'll have motivation in the middle, and then I will have each subtopic around the outside. And around this, I will blurt everything that I know. But critically here, I'm not just blurting down what I know, I'm making links between various different subtopics. So here, I apologise for my handwriting, but you can see there is a link between Hertzberg and Maslow's theories of motivation. So I'm making a note of this. What I will do, I will then get some online notes, because for business I don't have the textbook to hand. And what I will begin with is the things that I know that I forgot, that I didn't put anything down for because I didn't know it. I got some of Maslow's theory wrong, and I forgot the order. So I filled that in, and then I went over notes for the different subtopics to make sure I got everything right. And I made my corrections in the other colour. And that is it. That is all you have to do for effective blurting. But just remember that you need to base it off the specification, because this is all you can be tested on in the exam. By the way, if you haven't saved this video yet, what are you doing? And I'm making videos showing you how you do all of my favourite active recall methods. Be sure to follow me so you don't miss out.